holding it like a goblet, and that's why this is called a goblet squat. Down and up, all right? But if you don't have a weight, no problem. We grab our book, and we'll just hug it to our chest. Same thing. Now we're trying to go all the way down. So again, if you don't have that mobility, go all the way down. Just try to get to parallel, right? Get to parallel. And by parallel, I mean with your knees or below. That's what this looks like. Now, the nice thing about once you get here, you can get heavier and heavier books. So if this feels, when you get to the point where this feels too light, just get a heavier book. You can even get a backpack and fill it up with household items and hold it to your chest and go. Okay? And that's the goblet squat.